Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can stop Facebook from giving you friend suggestions, so if you are interested then keep on watching. So to stop Facebook from giving you friend suggestions, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after you open your Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu. And once you're on menu, next, go to Settings and Privacy. And then after that, tap Settings. So now that you're on Settings, now scroll down to the Preferences section. So under the Preferences section, you will see many options. But to stop Facebook from giving you friend suggestions, you should go to Notifications. And then go to People you may know. And finally, for the last step, just turn this off to stop Facebook from giving you friend suggestions. Then after that, it's done. Congratulations! Facebook will now stop giving you friend suggestions after doing this. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.